We often say LGBT community, but the L from this LGBT is often missing or having the less exposure compared to gay men. So today we have decided to visit a lesbian woman who is proud of herself. Let's go and meet Vinnie Chopra, a senior sales manager in a digital company. She stays in a western suburb of Mumbai along with her partner. I can't wait to visit her and see the cuteness between their relationship and to know how it is like being a queer woman in a country like India. And of course, learn a new recipe from her. So I welcome you all in the episode number 5 of Closet to Kitchen with Nakshatra Bagwe. Hi Vinny.
Hi.
How are you?
you?
I'm good. So good to meet you. Good to meet you. Can I put here?
Yes, please do.
So today we are with Vinny and हम विनी के पास इसलिए क्योंकि उनकी स्टोरी जान सके. हमने आज तक देखा है कि हम लड़कों से मिलते आए, उनकी स्टोरी जानी. We met gay guys, we met bisexual men.
Yeah.
But we really wanted to show a story, a life of a lesbian woman in India. And today we are with an inspiring young woman, Vinny,
Thank you.
जिनकी स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड बिकॉज दो इट्स अ पॉजिटिव स्टोरी, उनके लाइफ में भी काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव आए, उन्होंने भी काफ़ी स्ट्रगल फील किया है लाइफ में. सो आज हम जानेंगे उनकी स्टोरी. वेलकम टू अवर शो विनी.
Thank you so much, Nakshatra.
कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Sure. So I'm Vinnie Chopra, and I work as a senior business development manager with
Okay.
an HR company called People Strong.
नाइस.
And I stay in Andheri West with my partner,
क्यूट.
and we are almost going to complete a year.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. And we're traveling to Goa end of this month to
That's-
celebrate our anniversary.
Amazing. But coming till here, it was a hell of a journey, right?
It has been.
And let me know, how was your childhood, the family atmosphere? कैसा था?
So I grew up a lot in Nigeria, Lagos.
Okay.
My father's business was there.
Nice.
That was for 7 years. And I think my parents were more open-minded क्योंकि वो सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं रहे, बाहर भी रहे.
Okay.
तो first time I came out, I was 13.
13, like 1-3.
Yes.
Wow.
And I told my mom that I like girls. And she's like, that's okay, everyone likes girls. And I said, no, I want to marry one.
Wow.
And she's like, it's just a phase, you'll get over it.
Okay.
So that was my first coming out. It was not actually coming out because I was just a kid and my mom didn't take me seriously.
Right.
Then as I grew older, I had girlfriends who used to come home. So my parents were a bit skeptical and angry and a lot of Punjabi melodrama happened. But they calmed down
Okay.
because I have 3 sisters who've always been very supportive.
Wow.
I think they played a major role in convincing my parents too.
Nice.
So fortunately, I've been one of the lucky ones who's got a very supportive family.
Yes. Such a lovely thing. 3 sisters supporting one of them to be herself
Yes.
and convincing the parents to accept her the way she is.
Yes.
Amazing. So how it is now in the family? Like everything is fine?
Yeah. So now my partner and I go and hang out with them.
Ah,
We have family dinners, we have get-togethers together. So
That's
it's a good
great.
thing. We party together also because I have a younger sister and her husband. So we all party together a lot.
Nice. But कभी आपको घर से शादी के लिए प्रेशराइज किया गया?
हाँ, when I was younger,
Okay.
when I was 20-21, डैडी ने थोड़ा ट्राई किया था इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल, पर काम नहीं किया तो.
I am sure looking at you didn't work.
Yeah, I didn't.
But like we said, you're a bit fortunate enough. But
Yes.
I want to know your point of view about, because you know lesbian women
Yes.
more than any one of us.
Yeah.
क्या स्ट्रगल होता है रेगुलर एक किसी नॉर्मल लेस्बियन लड़की का?
So I have a lot of friends जिनकी ज़बरदस्ती शादी कराई गई है.
ओके.
फैमिली प्रेशर, सोसाइटी प्रेशर, पेरेंट्स प्रिटेंडिंग के अभी ये नहीं किया तो हम अपने आप को मार देंगे.
वाओ.
तो they have to get married, and fortunately some of them get out of it after a few years when they realize कि नहीं हो रहा
की
है.
बात नहीं है.
But अभी भी हैं जो कितने हैं वो are still stuck in a marriage, they have children and they are so unhappy.
Very much, because I don't see lesbian in that number जितने नंबर में आज
Yes.
लड़के हैं.
Yes.
And you are one of the party organizers in
Yes,
Mumbai now,
I
and
am,
I'm so
I am.
glad that you're creating spaces for lesbian women because
Yeah.
that's what we need. Please tell
We
us
do.
about it.
So what I'm doing is I've tied up with Ram and Sham, who are part of the Mist group from Pune.
Who were in our episode number 3?
Yeah, those two. And I'm organizing events for them in Bombay.
Yes.
And this is not just for the lesbians, but for the gay men too.
Okay.
But most of them would be LBT events. So it's a safe space where people can come and be themselves
Yes.
and have fun.
So when she said LBT, let me just tell you, it's lesbian, bisexual and transgender people.
Yes.
Generally हमारे gay लोगों के लिए बहुत कुछ होता है यार. इन लोग के लिए भी कुछ चाहिए. तो I'm glad Vinny is taking the initiative.
Thank you.
And you can go to a party and just tell, oh, we saw you Nakshatra Bagya. But okay, that's a fun part. But I'm telling, I know about a lot of struggle because एक तो आप लड़की हो वो ही एक अलग स्ट्रगल है इंडिया में being
वो तो है।
ऊपर से आप लेस्बियन हो तो वो डबल स्ट्रगल हो जाता है. There are some stereotypes that I
Yeah.
want you to break on camera right now.
Sure.
Being a gay man, which I can't do, you can do that because you belong to this community. लोग ये सोचते हैं कि you know काफ़ी harassment और bullying होता है जिस तरीके से
Yeah.
आप कपड़े पहनते हो, आपकी
Yeah.
जो चॉइस होती है. क्या आपकी एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि लोगों के बारे में क्या अप्रोच होता है लोगों का जब आप ऐसे जाते हो बाहर डे टू डे लाइफ में?
तो बचपन से ही होता आ रहा है ये,
ओके
क्योंकि मुझे आदत थी हमेशा लड़कों के कपड़े पहनने की.
ओके.
तो स्कूल में बहुत छेड़ते थे और मतलब स्पोर्ट्स में मेरा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट था, लेकिन क्योंकि सब लड़के होते थे ज़्यादा तो इतना खेलने नहीं मिलता था. और बुलिंग भी काफ़ी होती थी, लड़का हो या लड़की, जो अभी भी पूछते हैं लोग स्ट्रीट्स पे. और मॉल्स में जाओ, कभी मूवीज़ के लिए जाओ, एयरपोर्ट पे जाओ तो सिक्योरिटी वाले 2 बार देखते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है लड़की है तो वहाँ से जाने दो. अभी भी काफ़ी लोग रोकते हैं. इवन इन व्हेन यू गो टू party and you want to use the washroom, the ladies' washroom,
Yes.
you get questioned not just by the security outside, but the women inside also stare at you and give you a look to check.
Okay, then how do you deal with this? Because it's very tough.
Yeah, so earlier I used to get very angry because I was younger, but I've calmed down now. So I just bring out my most feminine voice now and I say, I'm a girl, just like you.
How cute.
And sometimes they ask me, maybe you're in the wrong place. So I tell them, I'm in the right place, maybe you're in the wrong place.
That's true. I love that reply. But और एक चीज जैसे हम अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे थोड़ी देर पहले, let's talk about it openly on the camera.
Sure.
काफी straight लोग हैं, especially men. They take lesbian or especially lesbian porn to specifically
Yeah.
as their fantasy,
Yeah.
and they respect or they love it until and unless it's limited to bedroom.
True.
And do you feel offended by this?
Of course, it is very offensive. First of all, they objectify us,
Yes.
fetishize,
Yes.
and it's become like a thing that if you see 2 lesbians together, the only thing that comes to their head is threesome,
Okay.
and they invite themselves into it, whether you want it or not. And I have had so many people when I used to be on Tinder ask me if we would be interested in a threesome with the boyfriend and the girlfriend. And it's lesser for me, but if it's 2 feminine women, it's
Yeah.
even more.
Yes.
So
And I know why it's lesser for you because if you are there, you will be questioning their manlyhood.
Yes.
And they don't want that. to
obviously,
happen. So,
the ego is very sensitive.
very much. So, let's break that stereotype on the camera. Lesbians are not there just to make some money out of the lesbian production house. They are there because that's their identity and they love being themselves. They are just not for your porn or your emotional or orgasmic satisfaction. That's one thing. Another silly thing, I was talking to Pooja, to whom I met in episode 3 in Pune, the marriage of convenience.
Yes.
A lot of gay men believe that they can marry a lesbian and can escape from the family pressure.
True.
And then शादी करके तुम अपनी जिंदगी जियो मैं अपनी जिंदगी जीऊंगा. Is
Yeah.
that इतना आसान है क्या ये?
Obviously not. See, the first thing is it's marriage of convenience.
Yes.
So maybe it would be convenient for one person who wants to do it to prove it to the society.
True.
But I don't think any of the lesbians would be interested in staying with a man, and same for the man. It's just for the society's sake.
Yes.
And I don't think we should encourage that. And people who want to do it, it's up to them.
But anybody approached you? For
No, not me. I don't think they'll approach me.
Okay, but anybody suggested you like get married? With
There is so there was a family member of mine when I was younger. He suggested that, okay, you don't want to get married to a man, get married to a feminine man, a gay man. So it doesn't work like that.
Right.
Yeah, that's just wrong.
It's true. So After Nigeria, you come back to Mumbai.
Yes.
How it was coming back to the Mumbai and being comfortable and trying to explore yourself in a city like Mumbai. My question is this: since our season one is about Mumbai, what the city has offered you?
So in the beginning, it was very difficult because I was coming from Nigeria and people were more open-minded there.
Okay.
Not everyone, but few of them.
You said people were in Nigeria were open-minded. Generally, what Indians have a stupid mentality. Nigeria में सब आदिवासी लोग
Yes,
रहते हैं.
yes.
That's the
That's not true.
And see how behind we are.
It's true.
Please continue.
So when I came back, it was very difficult. I faced a lot of bullying at school, and it took me some time to get confident. But once I got into college, I was more confident. Actually, I had crossed over and become a bit of an arrogant person, but that changed
That's
over the years,
need.
fortunately. Yeah, but after that, it's been no looking back.
Yes.
I'm very confident and I love being myself.
You think the approach or the outlook of people towards lesbian is changing, or as a queer person changing after 377 scrap?
I think it started changing before that.
Okay.
People have become more, I don't know how to say, more understanding and more compassionate
Okay.
about other people. Especially at workplaces, when I used to join work earlier, I used to face a lot of questions that why don't you have a boyfriend? Why don't you want to get married?
Yeah.
But now I think at least that much understanding is there that they don't question your personal life.
Right.
They let you be.
That's
Because they know now that lesbians exist, gay men exist, trans people exist.
That's great.
So it's a good thing.
Again. So that's about your life. Now let's talk about your kitchen life.
Sure.
So when was the first time you entered the kitchen?
I think I was 13 or 14
Okay.
and my mom was away.
Oh.
And my father had to cook for us. So he was getting tired of cooking every day. So he taught me how to make parathas. So fortunately मेरे पराठे राउंड बनते हैं और बहुत सारा बटर जाता है उसमें.
Punjabis.
हाँ जी.
And then what generally you like to cook?
So I'm not very good at it, but I like making.
I like honesty.
Yeah, I like making pancakes. I like making parathas, obviously.
Yes.
Dal chawal, very simple food. Aloo, rajma.
So now you're staying with your partner.
Yeah.
So कभी ऐसा experience हो कि साथ में बना के कुछ खाया या फिर?
So she makes very good pasta.
Okay.
So I didn't help much, but I was there in the kitchen, hovering around her.
All right. So what we are doing today on the camera? What you're teaching us? आज क्या बनाएंगे?
हम बनाएंगे pancakes,
Okay.
and which is usually for breakfast.
All right.
And I hope they come out fluffy.
Oh, I'm sure. So today we are going to make pancakes, the Vinnie Chopra recipe. Let's hit the kitchen and see how the pancakes turned out. I'm sure they are good.
So this is the white flour.
Okay.
You need 1.5 cup of this.
ठीक है.
So baking soda, 4 teaspoons.
अच्छा.
You need 1 egg for
Okay.
around 3 to 4 people.
अच्छा.
Sugar, you can use 2 tablespoons or as per your taste. And a bit of melted butter. And we have here fresh cream, or you can use milk, which is another 1.5 cup.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the butter to cook and honey for garnishing.
Okay, so today we are with Vinnie and in her kitchen, so we are making pancakes. So let's see कि pancakes कैसे बनाए जाते हैं. So let's start, Vinnie.
Sure. So first you mix the dry ingredients,
Okay.
which is the flour and the baking powder.
ठीक है, तो हम बेकिंग पाउडर और मैदा को मिक्स कर रहे हैं एक
हाँ
साथ.
जी.
Okay.
Okay. And then you just take a fork. Fork लेके अच्छे से mix कर दो.
ठीक है.
ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा. And you keep that aside. The next thing you do is the wet ingredients.
Sure.
So this is the bowl for it. And I'm bad at this, but I'll try it.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
फिर इसमें आप ये मिक्स करो क्रीम
अच्छा.
और मिल्क.
Okay. तो एक अंडे में छोटा एक बाउल क्रीम हमने
हाँ
मिक्स
जी.
किया है. Okay. और मिल्क होगा तो भी उतना ही होना है.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है.
और बटर, मेल्टेड बटर.
Okay.
And if you want to add sugar, so I'll add 1 spoon. और फिर इसको अच्छे से फेंटना है। मेक श्योर कि पूरा अच्छे से मिक्स हो जाए।
ओके, तो हमने एक अंडा, एक छोटा बाउल क्रीम और कुछ मेल्टेड बटर को साथ में मिक्स किया है और उससे हम अच्छे से मिक्स करके उसकी पेस्ट बना रहे हैं। एंड वी हैव टू मेक श्योर कि इसमें लम्प्स ना रहे ताकि पैनकेक्स अच्छे से बने।
तो ये एक बार हो जाए, उसके बाद जो आपके ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे उसको इसमें ऐड कर दीजिए।
जो मैदा और बेकिंग पाउडर हमने मिक्स किया था वो उसमें डालेंगे। ओके,
और वापस इसको अच्छे से फेंटे कि इसमें कोई लम्प्स ना रहे।
यस।
उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है।
श्योर। आपने कहाँ से सीखा था ये वाला रेसिपी?
तो ये मेरी एक एक्स थी
ओके,
जिसने मुझे सिखाया था।
ऑलराइट।
एंड थोड़े टाइम तक इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू मेक इट बिकॉज ऑफ द मेमोरीज
Oh yes,
I had with her.
I understand.
But then I realized that I was also at fault. And after that, it's become easier to cook it.
Yes.
And now I cook it for my girlfriend.
Oh, she's looking at me.
So हम थोड़ी सी क्रीम और डालेंगे
Okay.
कंसिस्टेंसी के लिए।
Sure. When you generally go out, what kind of food you like to eat?
I am a total North Indian, so Punjabi food.
Okay.
Butter chicken, rajma chawal, chole.
That's great.
Yeah.
And so your girlfriend is vegetarian and
She is.
you are non-vegetarian.
Yes.
How do you guys manage this?
So actually, she's a very chill vegetarian.
That's good.
She doesn't care if I eat non-veg. She thinks that's my preference.
That's a really great thing.
Yeah. And she's smiling from there.
I know. I am avoiding that stress.
Unfortunately, I can't.
I know. All right. I think it's almost done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Almost done.
So the batter is almost ready.
Yes.
So we now need to hit the pan.
Yes.
Okay.
So now you switch on the gas, obviously.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you put some butter
Mm-hmm.
for the cooking.
You are typical Punjabi in this.
Yes. Butter is needed for everything.
Oh my god, a lot of butter. I need it.
So you let it melt for a bit.
Yes.
And then you take the batter. Okay. Thank you. And you try and put it in just one circle.
Okay. You have to work with this on with patience, right? Because
Yes, a little bit.
yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Spread it out a bit. And then you let it sim for some time.
Yes. Like your niche said, Jessica.
Yeah.
There can be a lot of variation of this, right?
Yeah,
Some
yeah.
You can put chopped fresh fruits in
Yeah,
this.
fresh
dry
fruits, chocolates,
Oh yes.
choco chips. You can have it with maple syrup, blueberry.
Yes.
So we're gonna have it with honey.
Yes.
It's still not done. A little bit more.
Yeah. This is, I think, typical Catholic recipe, right? Somewhere from the
It's
south.
yeah, it's actually Catholics, and I used to have it a lot when I was in London
Oh, okay.
for my MBA. But yeah, it tastes good, and it's good breakfast. This is a little bit tricky.
Oh, I can smell it.
Can you?
Yes.
Chalo, not bad.
I was very confident that Vinny will make really amazing pancakes. And then trust me, I'm not lying, I never had pancakes before.
Really?
Never.
So this is a good try for you.
Yes.
So even if it's bad, you wouldn't know.
No, I'm sure you're gonna cook something good.
And
Yes. Oh, we are done.
yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can put butter on it.
One pancake is ready.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
Sure. You take that out.
This is mine.
And honey. As much as you want.
That's enough.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you're a Winnie the Pooh, but I don't like honey. So our first pancake is ready and is of course mine.
Yes.
We're gonna make a lot more, a few more.
Sure.
But till then, you check the ingredients and recipe recap how we made this. Easy, but not as easy as it looks like. It takes a lot of patience and consistency. So if you wanna balance yourself, try making this. So go check it out. Until then, we make some more. Thank you. पैनकेक्स बनाने के लिए हमें लगेगा मैदा 1.5 कप, बेकिंग सोडा 4 टीस्पून, 1 अंडा, 2 टेबलस्पून शक्कर, कुछ पिघला हुआ बटर, फ्रेश क्रीम या फिर दूध 1.5 कप, वैनिला एसेंस ऑप्शनल, और गार्निशिंग के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे हनी और बटर। पैनकेक बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हम मिक्स करेंगे मैदा और बेकिंग पाउडर को। उसके बाद एक अलग बाउल में हम मिक्स करेंगे फेटा हुआ अंडा, शक्कर, क्रीम और कुछ मेल्टेड बटर को। इसको अच्छे से मिक्स करने के बाद हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे वैनिला एसेंस या फिर कुछ और एसेंस जो आप ऐड करना चाहते हो। इसके बाद हम इस मिक्सचर में ऐड करेंगे मैदा और बेकिंग पाउडर का मिक्सचर। मेक श्योर कि आप ये मिक्सचर को अच्छे से एक साथ मिलाएं ताकि उसमें गुठलियाँ ना हो जाए। अब एक पैन को हम मीडियम फ्लेम पे गरम करेंगे और उसके ऊपर बटर डालेंगे। जब बटर मेल्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा तब हम अपना जो मिक्सचर है उसको एक सर्कुलर शेप में पैन पे डालेंगे। 2-3 मिनट तक उसको हम वैसे ही रखेंगे। जब नीचे से वो पैनकेक पकना शुरू हो जाएगा हम उसकी स्लाइड को फ्लिप करेंगे ताकि दूसरी बाजू से भी वो अच्छे से कुक और क्रिस्पी हो जाए। जब दोनों साइड से पैनकेक क्रिस्पी हो जाएगा उसको हम एक प्लेट में निकाल लेंगे और उस पर कुछ हनी डालेंगे और कुछ बटर लगाएंगे। आपके डिलीशियस पैनकेक रेडी है। So guys, pancakes are ready. हमने 2 variations बनाए, एक regular pancake and then I asked her to make some flavored वाला. So we have add some vanilla essence. Like we said, आप अलग-अलग variations बना सकते हो. You can add fruits. She said you can add chocolate chips, anything, whatever you like. So
Please try it.
Okay. So I'm trying first the basic वाला जिसमें हमने कोई flavor नहीं डाला है, the authentic one. I'm sure it's going to be good. It is. One thing I'm really liking is the taste of butter
Yeah.
and the crispiness. And it's lovely. I didn't realize कि 2 मिनट में इतना अच्छे से cook हो जाएगा.
It's a fast meal.
Yes. Now I'm trying the vanilla one. I'm really excited for this. And I like this थोड़ा सा burnt वाला. So I specifically asked her to make it that way. I remember the taste of the vanilla cake which my mother used to make.
Nice.
So thank you for making this. I'm gonna
Anytime.
finish it all. Thank you for doing this because I know you said after a long time you entered the kitchen for this.
Yes.
I'm glad I made you do that. But like I was talking to you behind the scene,
Yeah.
it never felt to me that you are not that experienced in the kitchen. What matters the most is how calm and the posture and knowledge of every single minute, the presence of mind you are keeping. It's really good.
Thank you so much.
Try this.
Sure. I'll have the crispy one.
Sure.
Not bad.
It's good.
Thank you.
I'm sure that there is a person behind the camera who is willing to taste this. We will not name her, but she's excited to try this. We'll give it to her. Thank you for this. So, Vinny, it was a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you
and
so
we are not
much.
just thankful, we have some gift hampers for you
Wow.
from our brands. So, we have this naturally yours red rice noodles and pasta for you, which is
Thank you.
gluten free and organic.
Thank you so much.
And we also have this new version of perfumes, which are pocket friendly.
Wow,
Fresh and Go.
that's really nice. I'm
Yeah.
actually impressed with this.
We have two flavors or two fragrances called Maria and Aqua. And we have this lovely cap designed by me, of course, from by
Thank you.
swagdeal.in.
Should I wear it?
Sure you can, thank you. And I know people generally don't like mugs as a gift, but I want to give it to you because you deserve this. And the text which is written on it is something that defines you.
Oh, yes, I am. I'm definitely a rainbow warrior.
You are a rainbow warrior, and to be a rainbow warrior, you don't have to be famous and having millions and thousands of followers on social media. You have to make changes in people's life and live a confident and dignified life, which you are living, and you are making other people motivated to be themselves. And thanks for being on a show because आज आपने इस शो पे आके लेस्बियन कम्युनिटी के बारे में काफी चीजों का जवाब दिया. We get to know how sweet these people are because हम गे लोगों के दिमाग में बहुत गलत सारी ideas होती है because ज़्यादा interaction नहीं होता. But I'm so glad I found a new friend through a show.
Yes.
And it's lovely meeting you and your partner.
Yes.
I look forward to seeing you and attending one of your parties.
Absolutely. You should do that.
So guys, this was Vinny Chopra in today's episode and let us know आपको ये episode कैसा लगा. Next episode में हम मिलेंगे एक और नई शख्सियत के साथ with a new story which is inspiring, with full of struggles but full of dreams and aspirations. See you soon guys in the next episode of Closet to Kitchen with Nakshatra Bagwe. Bye.
Thank you.